how to fix Adobe Illustrator not responding or crashing problem. So if you want to fix your Adobe Illustrator not responding, crashing, or freezing problem, then just watch this video. First, you can check your Creative Cloud app and make sure that Adobe Illustrator is up to date. And if there is available updates, just download them and see if that solves your problem. The second step is to search for Task Manager and open it up. And we're going to go through the list and end the task of any app running in the background that you won't use anymore because they would take up memory and other resources, leaving no room for Adobe Illustrator to use. So just for example, I'll just simply go with the Google Chrome right here, right click on it, and then you will have End Task option, click on End Task. And after you've done that, see if that helps solve your problem. The next step will be to search for Adobe Illustrator. And before we open it, we need to hold Control Shift Alt on your keyboard. So keep holding that in until you click it. And while it is still loading and opening, or once you've opened, doing that resetted our preferences, which can help resolve the problem and get rid of the corrupted files that might be causing the problem. So once it is open, you need to click on the Windows tab, which will be in the top, and then go to Workspace option. Now, if it is available, you can click on Reset right there and close the Adobe Illustrator app, and you can then go ahead and open up your Creative Cloud app and uninstall any beta version of the apps of Adobe and restart Adobe Illustrator and see that your problem has now been solved. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.